1502 West Causeway Approach, Suite C. We're in Pontchartrain Place, which is those two-story red brick buildings in front of Pontchartrain Elementary and Functon Middle. Great location, West Causeway Approach. This is an office space, it's about 1,000 square feet, 3 offices, conference room, you'll see it in a second. $1,750 a month, gross lease, meaning there's no other charges for like common area maintenance, taxes, insurance, no. $1,750, all included, including your water, okay? So quick note, bathrooms, there's a men's room, there's a women's room behind me. That means that bathrooms aren't eating up your square footage, your office space, which is a nice thing. Also, you don't have to maintain them, which is even better. So I'm turning on the smell cam for this for you because it has fresh paint and it smells really good. So here we have the reception area. This is office number 1. And this is the smallest of the 3 actually. So this is a good size office. Office number 2, a little bit bigger. Office number 3, the biggest yet. Corner office, 2 windows. Gotta love it. And then right back here is the conference room. So you can make this another office. You can make it, obviously a conference room, but make it like a sales bullpen. You can fit 3 or 4 people in here easily. And then here in the back, you've got your kitchenette. You see the water cooler, you got the fridge, there's space for a mini fridge under there, that's not included. And then your back door. So come check it out, love to have you. A minimum 3-year term, and we can go up, talk about options and extensions as part of the lease as we go down the road. Thank you so much for tuning in. Bye-bye.